put in effort into those relationships. That means reaching out, sending memes, sending texts, having fun, going and planning things together where you can go out and go to the river or to the beach or just doing different events together. I think those kind of experiences that you have with people are what form those long-term relationships. Because even if you have lots of those kinds of experiences together, where you're spending a good amount of time together, then even if time goes by where you don't see each other, you still have the memory of those experiences and you still remember those fun times that you had. And so those relationships never really go away. Even if for the next 10 years you don't see each other, you know, when you do see each other that you're still just as close as you were then. But yeah, and then staying in communication. I mean, picking up the phone and calling or sending a text or asking them when they're going to be in town. I think that you just try to nurture those relationships, and relationships definitely need nurturing. Otherwise, they just sort of fall away. And hopefully, if you reach out to somebody one time or two times and they don't respond, you don't write them off. You know, maybe they're just busy or something. So be the one who's willing to pick up the phone and make the call. However, if they never call you and they're only trying to get something out of you, then also to keep that in mind and try to choose to have people in your life who share similar values, who are trying to do similar things with their life, I think is also another way to form long-lasting relationships. Because if there are people that you don't share values with anymore, that you don't connect with anymore, then obviously those relationships aren't going to be lasting.